Hello everyone, welcome to our new home. We just signed over the keys this morning. Unfortunately, Mrs. Poorman couldn't be here. She had to work. I took the day off. So it's now a matter of renovating this whole house. The plan is to do it from top to bottom, little by little. I have over 52 projects that I want to get done, so it's not as though this is something I'm going to get done within the first week or so. But that gives me plenty of videos that I can make. And so today we're going to start off with prepping the whole house, so we're going to be painting everything. I will be replacing all the ceiling fans, all the ceiling lights, track lighting. Who uses track lighting? And we're going to be looking at automating a lot of things. The plan at some point is I want to have automated window blinds controlled by Amazon Echo. I want automated fans also controlled by Echo. I got smart locks on the doors. I plan on putting in a smart thermostat that we can control by Amazon Echo. So, I even bought one of those robot vacuum cleaner things too. So I'm going to become very fat and lazy as I just sit back on the couch and let all the automation do all the work for me. Maybe someday I'll have somebody cook me dinner and bring it to me also. Just kidding, Mrs. Poorman. All right, so today, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to remove all the fixtures that we can, get rid of all the screws that are up there. There's some border that needs to be taken down, removing all the face plates. Probably replace some of the electrical outlets. They don't look like they're in very good shape. I'll be putting in some Wemo switches, which are automated switches as well, so that I can control the lights that we do put up. That's all I have for now, so wish me luck. Here we go. Alright, basic mess, it's been all disassembled. After this, I'm going to start patching up some holes, and then we're going to use some TSP trisodium chloride to clean the walls, to degrease them, and to prep them to be able to accept paint. And then tomorrow we'll come back and start painting. Let's get on it. We're going to use some heavy duty cleaner of TSP. It's supposed to be quite toxic, or caustic. So we're going to be really careful on this one here and wear masks and everything. And then we're going to clean all the walls.
While painting the first coat using primer, Miyagi-sensei's voice popped in my mind.
All in the wrist. Up, down. Wrist, all in the wrist. Up, down.
Lastly was to paint all the walls and the ceiling. Yes, it's all blue and quite loud, but my future project should subdue it and make things pop. At least I hope so. We shall see. Well, that's it for now, but I look forward to seeing you again real soon.